Welcome to our channel. Connecting your Samsung TV to Wi-Fi opens up streaming services, smart features, and online content. Follow these steps for a successful wireless connection setup. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung TV and press the home or menu button on your remote to access the main settings interface. Step 2. Navigate to settings using the directional buttons, then select general or network depending on your TV model. Step 3. Choose network settings or network status, then select open network settings to begin the Wi-Fi connection process. Step 4. Select wireless as your connection type instead of wired to scan for available Wi-Fi networks in your area. Step 5. Wait for your TV to detect all available wireless networks, then select your home Wi-Fi network name from the list displayed. Step 6. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Use the remote to navigate between letters and numbers carefully for accuracy. Step 7. Select Done or Connect after entering the password. Your TV will attempt to connect to the network, which takes 10 to 20 seconds. Step 8. Once connected, your TV will display a confirmation message. Test the connection by opening a streaming app or checking network status in settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.